Good morning students. Now let us continue the chapter number 13. Now today we are going to discuss the magnetic field due to current in a solenoid. Now actually what is solenoid? Solenoid is a coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in shape of cylinder is called a solenoid. Here one of the, suppose you take one cylindrical like shape, 2-3 nails and wrap around it a copper wire and its two ends, if you connect with the battery, then that structure is called solenoid. So here solenoid is a coil of many circular turns. Here these turns are circular, wrapped around closely in shape of cylinder, and that type of structure is called solenoid. The pattern of magnetic field lines around a current carrying solenoid, that is shown in this figure. Now see here, when this solenoid, this coil is connected to battery and key, and when current is on, then what happens? Around this solenoid the magnetic field is produced, and these magnetic field lines around the current carrying solenoid are shown in figure in your textbook, that is figure number 13.10 on page number 229, right? Now these lines, magnetic field lines, you can compare the pattern of field with magnetic field around a bar magnet. Now previously we discussed about the magnetic field produced by a bar magnet. Okay, so any similarities there? Yes, these lines are similar. In fact, one end of solenoid we have as the north pole and another end of the solenoid, that is we have like a south pole. So here we show N and S. N means north pole, S means south pole. Here the field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines. They do not cross over each other or intersect each other. These lines are straight lines and parallel lines, and they indicate that the magnetic field is the same at all the points inside the solenoid, and that means the field is uniform inside the solenoid. Now strong magnetic field is produced inside the solenoid, can be used to magnetize a piece of magnetic materials like soft iron when placed inside the coil. The magnet so formed is called electromagnet. Now what is electromagnet? Actually electro means electricity. When electric current is passed through any wire, then it behave like a magnet, that is called electromagnet. Electromagnet. And you know that the electromagnetism, that is a different branch of physics, that is called electromagnetism. That is one of the branch. Whenever you go for further studies and study the physics, this will be the separate subject. Okay, so here this was first time discussed by the scientist Michael Faraday. Okay, and that is electromagnetism. So before the invention of this, it was believed that electricity and magnetism, these are two branches of different branches of physics, but after this it was believed that with the help of electric current we can produce the magnetic field, and with the help of magnetic field we can produce the electric field. Okay, then we proceed tomorrow.